Hi guys, this is gonna be my first YouTube short, so I gotta keep it short. So I just got off work. I got done filming my March block, and I blocked it, and I'm picking up everything. And somebody has decided he wants to be, a little butt. So I wanted to show you in my first short. He is chewing up my mat, my blocking mats, chewing up me, chewing up my plastic things, or my pins, and my other blocks that I have over here. I can't do anything. Stop it. Okay, Churchy. He's on one today, guys. Earlier, he was tearing these little nubby things up. Nope, nope, nope.